In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Zaps. This process is straightforward and will enable you to quickly share your automations with colleagues, friends, or anyone else who could benefit from them. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open the Zap you intend to share. If you've already created a Zap and have it ready to go, you're one step ahead. However, if you haven't turned it into a template yet, that's our first priority. To do this, look towards the top bar of your interface, where you'll find the name of your Zap. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Create Template. This is an essential step, as transforming your Zap into a template simplifies sharing and ensures that others can easily make use of it. Once you've clicked Create Template, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you have the opportunity to change the title of your Zap template. It's a good idea to opt for a title that clearly reflects the Zap's function, making it instantly recognizable to whomever you're sharing it with. Additionally, you can add a description of what your Zap does. This is your chance to concisely explain the purpose and functionality of the Zap, providing users with immediate context when they access it. After you've updated the title and description to your satisfaction, the next step is to click on the Share button. Once you click this, a dialog box will appear, presenting a link. This link is the key to sharing your Zap. It's ready for you to copy and distribute to others, whether that's via email, a message, or even a shared document. Moreover, Zapier offers you the flexibility to control who can access your Zap. You can set the availability of your Zap to public, which means anyone can find and use it. Alternatively, you can select those with link only, limiting access to people with whom you specifically share the link. Lastly, you also have the option to make it private, which restricts access entirely, ensuring that only you can use and view the template. And that's it. You've now transformed your Zap into a shareable template, customized its title and description, and decided on its accessibility options. Sharing your automations can greatly enhance collaboration and efficiency, whether at work or in any project where Zaps could prove useful. I hope you found this guide helpful in streamlining the sharing process for your Zaps. Thank you for watching and happy automating.